Hey there, welcome to the 5-Minute Show, the place where we dive into the art of earning respect in just 5 minutes. In this episode, we will uncover the key strategies that make a lasting impression and earn you respect. So, if you're ready to enhance your communication, boost your professionalism, and build meaningful connections, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey together. Number 1, be authenticity. Be yourself in every situation. Authenticity means being real and true to who you are. It's about making sure your actions and words match your values so people can connect with the real you. When you're genuine and honest, others tend to appreciate and respect you more. Number 2, have integrity. Stick to your values and be honest in everything you do. Act with integrity by following strong moral principles and ethical standards. When you're truthful and transparent in your actions, people can trust you. Trust is built on integrity, and when others see that you consistently act with integrity, they're more likely to respect and hold you in high regard. Number 3, practice effective communication. Become skilled in communicating clearly and respectfully. Make sure your message is not only well-spoken, but also takes into account the viewpoints of others. Actively listen, ask questions to make sure you understand, and participate in conversations that promote understanding between people. Number 4, maintain professionalism. Show professionalism in every part of your life, whether at work or in personal relationships. Follow a high standard of behavior, stick to accepted norms, and treat others with politeness and respect. Being professional is crucial for gaining the respect of your colleagues and peers. Number 5, excellence in competence. Aim for excellence and ongoing improvement in your chosen field. Demonstrate your skills and knowledge through high-quality work. When you showcase competence, it builds confidence, and others are likely to respect and value your contributions, especially when they see the depth of your expertise. Number 6, take accountability. When you do something good or not so good, own up to it. Don't be afraid to say, "I made a mistake," and see it as a chance to get better. People like it when you take responsibility for what you do, whether it's a success or a mess up. It shows them that you're honest and willing to learn and improve. Number 7, embrace modesty. Be humble. Acknowledge that nobody is perfect. Admit when you've done well without boasting. Be open to learning from others, understanding that everyone has something valuable to share. Embracing humility fosters an environment of mutual respect and ongoing personal development. Number 8, team collaboration. Encourage a collaborative mindset by appreciating each team member's input. Acknowledge the combined effort, celebrate achievements together, and understand that working as a team often results in more significant accomplishments than individual efforts. Number 9, practice adaptability. Welcome change with a positive and open attitude. Show flexibility when things are evolving. Being ready to adapt to new situations and learning from experiences demonstrates resilience and earns respect from those around you. Number 10, respect for diversity. Embrace and celebrate the differences in backgrounds, opinions, and perspectives. Treat everyone with respect, acknowledging the unique value each person brings. Commit to inclusivity, cultivating a culture of respect and understanding in both personal and professional settings. Thanks for joining us on the 5-Minute Show. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick insights on building respect in your life. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation. Remember, respect is a two-way street, and by implementing these strategies, you're on your way to becoming a more respected and influential individual. Until next time, stay respectful, stay empowered, and keep mastering respect. See you in the next episode.